Hey everyone, and welcome to week 13. We're talking about the melody and the lines and spaces on the staff this week. So you'll listen to your song of the month, and then we've got a song about Thanksgiving, and you'll notice that the first part of the melody, here's our word melody, and remember melodies can move three ways. They can go up, down, or they can stay the same. And so this melody behind me happens to be going up, and that's the same way the melody of this song goes. Everyone's coming to stay. They've been driving all day. So listen for that melody going up in this new song that we're listening to today, and then you'll click on to a short video about how we count our lines and spaces, and we go from the bottom to the top. Once you finish that, you'll just see the definition of a staff is that is the 5 lines and 4 spaces for writing music. And here's the assignment that you'll turn in this week. The first time you're going through it, you're just going to use practice mode. So game mode is off. So you're just going to practice counting. 1, 2. This is on the second line. So I'm going to click line 2. Then I'm going to go right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is on the 4th line. So I'll click that. Once you've practiced this for a while, you can go to game mode, and then you're going to have 30 seconds, and it's going to give you, your timer will start, and then you're just going to start going 1, 2, 3, third line, and then it'll automatically change for you. When you finish, and I'm going to go ahead and stop it, but when you finish, it's going to give you the option to submit. So make sure you click over here, you'll see a submit button, and you submit this because that'll be one of your activities to turn in this week. So this one is just on the lines, and then you have this one that covers the spaces. Remember, the spaces are in between the lines. And so the first time you do a practice, the second time you flip on this game mode so that you can submit. So you're practicing lines and spaces, and then this is your checklist for the week to make sure you've done everything. So check on each thing, and then remember, after you finish this checklist, everything after that is not required. So there's some fast play boom cards if you'd like to play, and this is a how to draw a turkey activity. So other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and let me know if you have any questions.